Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on app privacy report on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Next, scroll down and in here, tap on app privacy report. Then tap on turn on app privacy report. And that's it. So now it is turning on. If you want to switch it off, you can also go back in here and turn off app privacy report. And so here, app privacy report records data and sensor access, app and website network activity, and the most frequently contacted domains. And that's it. You can leave it on, and over time it will start to track and report data. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.